The topic of discussion is developmental milestones in children. The term child development is used to describe the skill and capacity of function acquired by children between birth to 5 years of age. Developmental milestones are the points in time when a child learns to accomplish a specific task. Why should we know? It is because delays in these milestones are the first sign of cerebral palsy. Many infants develop in their own pace. Delays suggest a problem, and a conclusive diagnosis can be given based on risk factors, anatomic, and radiological signs. The four domains where developmental milestones are analyzed are gross motor, fine motor, speech language, and social emotional. Gross motor skills are the ability to make large coordinating movements using multiple limbs and muscle groups. When you observe this image, the motor skills develop till neck by 3 months, chest by 6 months, and 9 months till abdomen and legs by 12 to 15 months. This pictogram is shown to remember the skills easily. At the age of 3 months, baby can perform neck holding exercise. At 5 months, baby can sit with support. By the end of 6 months, baby can flip from prone to supine and supine to prone position. At 8 months, baby can sit without support, and at 9 months, baby can crawl around. Once the child reaches 11 months, they can walk with support. By the end of an year, a child can walk without support. After walking, it is running and it can be performed by 2 years of age. At 3 years, baby can ride a tricycle. At 4 years, baby can jump and hop. At 5 years, baby can perform a skipping exercise. There are certain red flags, that is delay in development. If by 6 months baby cannot hold the neck, by 10 months baby cannot sit, and by 18 months baby cannot walk, like we can wait at least 3 months on an average for a milestone than the average given. If it is not seen, then consult a physician for underlying cause. Coming to fine motor skills, these are executing precise movement and combination of mental and physical activities. At birth, we can see a grasp reflex which disappears at 3 months. At 5 months, we can see baby mouthing. This continues for a year, and baby also holds objects with 2 hands. At 7 months, baby holds objects with 1 hand and can transfer an object from one hand to another hand. By 9 months, baby gets a pincer grasp, a grasp to hold with 2 fingers like a pen. By 15 months, baby holds with spoon and spillage occurs. The number 5 is similar to 7 for spoon and it is easy to remember. By 18 months, baby holds cup and drinks independently. In fine motor, from 1 year, we see drawing skills. At 1 year, child can scribble and make a tower of 1 to 2 cubes. At 2 years, 2 parallel lines and a tower of 6 cubes. At 3 years, a circle and a bridge of cubes. At 4 years, a 4-cornered rectangle or a square and a cross can be drawn. At 5 years, a triangle can be drawn. At 6 years, a 6-sided object can be drawn. Coming to language and speech milestones, they play an important role to identify deaf and dumb and autistic disorders. A child starts cooing at 3 months of age. At 6 months, they can speak monosyllable words like ma, pa, and ba. At 9 months, disyllable words like mama, papa can be spoken. As the child grows and reaches to 1 year, they can speak 2 words with meaning. By 2 years, a simple sentence can be spoken. At 3 years, he can tell 3 things: name, age, and gender. At 4 years, when baby goes to kindergarten, they can tell rhymes. At 5 years, they recognizes and spells all colors. The social and emotional development are also important. From birth to 3 months, child smiles and recognizes mother. By 3 to 6 months, they begin social interaction. From 6 to 9 months, they express several emotions clearly. From 9 to 12 months, they mimic simple actions. And from 1 to 2 years, they show pleasure at accomplishing things. From 2 to 3 years, they develop notions of themselves, whether they are good, bad, or attractive. By 3 to 4, they play with other children and they can also share toys. So these are the developmental milestones. Now developmental delays are referred to describing any ongoing delay in a child and age specific developmental milestones. The causes are hypothyroidism, mental retardation, autistic disorders, and degenerative disorders. To summarize, developmental milestones are different skills which are achieved by certain age limit. They are gross motor, fine motor, language, and social.